Today I will do volcano, lava actually. So you will need baking soda, vinegar, and color, or you don't need to use as you wish. First, you bring the baking soda. You will take some.
Take the beaker. Take the beaker.
No, I'm putting it in the tube.
It is close enough. No, wait. Bad girl. No, not like that. Take this one and dip it. Okay.
You can take as you wish.
Say loudly.
Then you take the vinegar and put in another tube. Then bring the color, mix it with the vinegar.
What was that? Shake it.
And then put it with the baking soda.
Or less. No reaction. Why?
The lava will come out. This is because baking soda and vinegar react with each other and they exchange atoms. In this case, they are exchange a proton, which is a submitter particle. This makes atoms. You can also think of a proton as a hydrogen atom that is missing an electron. In this reaction, the baking soda also as a base and takes a proton from vinegar which is an acid. The reaction releases gas because when the baking soda receives the proton, it transforms into water and carbon dioxide.
Pour some more.
Thank you.